Hi guys! Hello and mabuhay! Welcome back to my channel, Junris React. How are you all guys? I hope you are doing well and amazing. And for today's video reaction, let's travel to one of our favorite country, which is Poland. Oh my goodness! And this is a video request reaction to Floki. Thank you so much, Floki. It's been like a long time that I haven't seen you on my channel watching, but when you watch, you will commented so nice, and also like you are one of our member also with our channel. Thank you so much, this Floki, for your suggestion. The video title is a Sana I Ambruzi Clicks Jestem Tuja Bajka Oksta Nad Okstami PGA Norodomi 2022 22, and the performance last 2023 on September 22nd. And credit also with the owner of the video, of course, the artist itself, Sana. I'll put in the description box below so that you can connect also with the owner of the video and watch a full video, since we have to make some few cuts of it for the video reaction purposes and commentaries. And please do consider like, share, and subscribe also with my channel, Junris React, and be part of our member that you can see at the description box below. And you can help also with my channel by sending super thanks. Thank you so much, and let's get to it. Have fun with this performance of Sana and Ambruzi Clicks Jestem Tuja Bajka. Help me also at the comment section what is the English translation and also the lyrics with this one. Have fun with this one.
You're a superhero.
Guys. Oh, wow.
Jestem tylko wspomnieniem, echem dziecięcych lat. Kiedyś byłem twoim marzeniem. Do mnie należy świat.
Dzisiaj jestem tylko wspomnieniem.
Oh my God. Those melody, those tone, the softness, the sweetness. When this lady sings, it's like an angel. As this man, the introduction, it's like something you are in a play or in an opera house. This one is like making some drama, singing. It's like a poet person. Wow, I love the tone. Thank you so much, Floki, for suggesting with this one. I enjoying it. This is the music that I wanted. It's like the melody of it. It's like playing it your ears, dancing through you. Wow, goodness.
Echem dziecięcych lat. Kiedyś byłam twoim marzeniem. Do mnie należał świat. Świat twoich zabaw, myśli, słów. Pierwszych radości i pięknych snów.
Sana was shocked. Oh my God. And I really like this whole aura or the vibes of the stage, like with the greenery, with the flowers on her head, and then the audience like circling at her. She just put this like piano in the like center stage, and that's brilliant and amazing. Her voice is something that it's so different that you love to listen, because it's sweet and so cool to listen. It's like a medicine to you. Nice.
Dzisiaj, gdy przymkniesz oczy, na szarym pamięci twe, pośród wyblakłych przeźroczy, zobaczysz właśnie mnie. Jestem twoją bajką, jestem twoją bajką, jestem bajką twego snu. Jestem twoją bajką, jestem twoją bajką, jestem bajką twego snu. Kiedy pożegnasz bajkę z dziecięcych lat, zamkniesz za sobą furtkę, zaczarowany świat. Kiedy pożegnasz bajkę.
That's why I really like Polish language or the Polish song, because when this artist from Poland singing with their songs, Sana also perform it so well that people can relate and you just like uploaded and singing with her. And I think she's a huge artist in their country, and that it showed in this concert. You just pull like, oh my God, the crowd was crazy about it. Her voice is something special that she's so gifted. I really like the way she just sing, because you can truly feel those emotion, how compassionate she is with her craft, and that's incredibly amazing. Goodness gracious, I believe in this one. This is real talent. This is amazing to watch. That I wish that one day I can be in this stage, watching with her perform, showing this incredible talent. Nice.
Z dziecięcych lat zamkniesz za sobą furtkę. Zaczarowany świat dzisiaj, gdy przymkniesz oczy, na szarym pamięci tle pośród wyblakłych przeźroczy zobaczysz właśnie mnie. Jestem twoją bajką, jestem twoją bajką, jestem bajką.
Oh my God, I really like the man also, just like making some drama in the stage while the Sana was singing with her beautiful voice, with her beautiful song, that people also singing with it, and that's crazy. I know the meaning of the song. It's something so loving that please help me guys, put in the comment section the real meaning of the song, because I know this is a huge concert or I is a performance. This is crazy insane that people loving this one, and I love it so much, even that I cannot understand the language, but you can truly feel how she performed the song, that it's a really relatable, really nice song, and that's truly like, it's 100% phenomenal performance. Bravo.
Tego snu. Dzisiaj, gdy przymkniesz oczy,
This
na
control.
szarym pamięci tle pośród wyblakłych przeźroczy zobaczysz właśnie mnie. Jestem twoją bajką,
Wow.
jestem twoją bajką, jestem bajką twego snu. Wielkie brawa dla pana Kleksa!
Wow, what a magnificent, brilliant, and excellent performance of this amazing young lady Sana. That was really, really fantastic. This is the best version. It's a rarity and an exception when a star has no pretentiousness, does not need any scandal to exist, nor playing and singing in underwear. Respect. And she's truly had this angelic voice. She's incredible. She's really phenomenal, and I really like the way she just sing it. Even there's no high pitches, but the way she just played with that piano, singing, and then with those like huge crowd, that's truly incredible, and I believe her talent. I wish that I can make more video reaction on her performances. And thank you so much once again, Fluky, for suggesting with this one. And if you have some comments and suggestions for my next video reaction to any Sana performances or any artist all around the world or from Poland, put it in the comment section. I would love to read and respond with you all. And please do consider like, share, and subscribe also with my channel, Junris React, and be part of our member that you can see in the description box below. And you can help my channel also by sending super thanks that you can see in here. Thank you so much. God bless and mabuhay kayong lahat. See you in my next video reaction. Bye bye guys.